Hello there, check this out. Here we have a bunch of treadmills, and in the middle we have Alfred. Now Alfred is a pretty normal average guy. He's looking for a nice treadmill, one that's not too expensive but at the same time gets the job done. Now the problem is there are so many different types of treadmills, and this is getting Alfred confused. He's seen a couple of videos with some cool treadmills, but he's still not sure. On the other hand, on the right, here you will see Jimmy. Now Jimmy has turned the notification bells on for quite a while now, and he's having a very active and successful life. He even lost a few pounds. This is because he watched the video and saw exactly which treadmill is going to be best for him. Now if you look here, here you will see Bob. Bob decided that he was better than treadmills. So he decided to go for a run, in the middle of the winter, in the snow and in the fog. He ran alright. He ran to the hospital with one leg flopping around because it got broken. He also ran out of money. Anyways, Alfred is trying to figure out what's best for him. So I'm going to help both Alfred and you find out which treadmill you should be looking for. Let's get to it.
Treadmills in general are awesome because 1. They allow you to train in warm, cozy conditions. 2. They are close, and science shows that when something is closer to you, you will be more likely to use it. Here is a classical example.
Dude!
3. Most of them have shock absorbers, making them gentle on your joints and knees. And 4. They allow you to easily track your time and distance while watching some interesting stuff on TV or online. However, there are quite a variety of treadmills. The most common types are 1. Sports, 2. Manual treadmills, 3. Working treadmills, 4. Sturdy treadmills, 5. C-shaped treadmills. Oh, by the way, I didn't include these treadmills in the list because they are ho expensive. 6. Foldable treadmills, and 7. Expensive treadmills. But don't worry, in this video I have the best bang for price treadmills you can find and will give you advice every step of the way. To get the most up-to-date prices on these treadmills, make sure to check the links in the description below. I have a great comparison chart for all treadmills later on, which will help you in making your decision. You can find all build sizes there. Coming up first is NordicTrack T-Series 6.5 SI treadmill, the best overall treadmill in the list. The feature that stands out in this model is how connected it is to iFit, a program that runs on the treadmill to give you a more realistic running experience, where you get to feel like you're running in a different place with very motivating coaches. They automatically change your speed and incline to match theirs. You get 1 month free subscription of iFit with this treadmill. The second feature they have improved is the real-time stat tracking to see how your performance levels are. It's a great way in keeping you motivated and hungry for more. Keep in mind, once you receive your treadmill, you will either have to enter details and bank details, or instead you can hold the iFit logo on the monitor for 20 to 30 seconds and it will bypass registration. The weight capacity for this treadmill is 350 pounds or 160 kilos, so it will work out for pretty much anyone to train on. The NordicTrack treadmill itself is not too noisy either. Ensuring a fulfilling experience, the treadmill inclines automatically up to 10% and has a speed of up to 10 miles per hour or 16 kilometers per hour, which is fast jogging speed. As for the warranty on this product, you can get a 90-day return window and comes with warranty for different parts, between 1 to 25 years. You can fold this treadmill up as well to have more space in your room. Overall, this treadmill is best suited for anyone who is on the serious side of training, or anyone who is willing to frequently use it and not worry too much about the sturdiness of the treadmill. It is also good for anyone who feels like they need company or a push during their exercises. The major con in this product is that since it is in high demand, the customer service is always packed, and this means it is much harder to reach them when facing dilemmas. And And coming up next in the list is the cheapest treadmill you can find, the Weslo Cadence G 5.9-inch folding treadmill. Well, the cheapest treadmill that actually works at least. So, first thing to say about this treadmill, as it says in its name, is that it can fold up easy peasy. Although this treadmill is on the cheap side, it still has all the main functions you want in your treadmill. It goes up to 10 miles per hour as most standard treadmills, and can be inclined as well. But the incline doesn't happen automatically, meaning that you will have to adjust this before you start your training session. The incline is around a 5% incline. There will be no problem holding up to 275 pounds or 125 kilos. And you can subscribe to iFit with this treadmill as well, but it will have less features than the last option. And once again, you can bypass iFit once assembling the treadmill by holding on the icon for 20 to 30 seconds. Assembly process is really simple and pretty fast. Now, although it has a heart rate monitor, don't expect it to be accurate. Sadly, it will be off by around 10 to 20 beats per minute. And keep in mind that the noise from this treadmill is medium loud. You get a 1-year warranty with this product, but customer support is very weak with this treadmill. If you feel like it's time to test the home treadmill idea out, but aren't entirely sure, or you don't have that much of a budget to spend, then this treadmill will get you a long way through your journey. Personally, I think this is the best electric treadmill for price available. Treadmill number 3, the best folding treadmill, which is the Goplus 2-in-1 folding treadmill. The first thing that strikes the eye with this treadmill is that it has the best folding capabilities in the list. It literally can go under your sofa or bed. Another cool thing is that you can use this treadmill without unfolding it, so it will be the base alone. This is great because this way you can use the treadmill while you work, especially if you're working home office or self-employed. And it's great because it's quiet as well. Even when the treadmill is folded, you can still see the speed, distance, and other settings at the bottom. Keep in mind that when the treadmill is folded, its maximum speed is 2.5 miles an hour or 4 kilometers an hour. This is to ensure safety and no big accidents. And you can control the settings using a remote control, so no worries about having to get off of it all the time. But when unfolded, it can go up to 7.5 miles or 12 kilometers instead, which is a reasonable medium-paced jogging speed. And worry not, it comes with a safety key which you pin onto your pants, so that if you get too far from safety levels, it will stop the treadmill to prevent injury. Unlike all other treadmills, this one is already ready to be used the moment you take it out of the box. That's a big relief to many of us. The weight capacity is stated to be around 265 pounds. For this treadmill, you have to keep in mind that it is more designed as a walking treadmill and a home office treadmill, meaning that although you will be able to jog on it, it won't be as effective as the other treadmills. However, walking while working is one very healthy style of life. A nice touch to this treadmill is that it comes in 7 different color options: blue, black, champagne, dark green, red, silver, and white. The top cons are: 1. The warranty is unclear on this option, so I would suggest you go for a warranty plan to accompany the treadmill to be on the safe side. 2. It doesn't have any incline options. Coming up in number 4 is an interesting one. The Sunny Health and Fitness SF T147M. It's the best, cheapest manual treadmill available. Thanks to being manual, it's a third of the price of other treadmills. But wait, manual? How does that work, you may ask? Well, all they had to do was add an incline onto the treadmill, 13.5% incline, and you do the rest. Getting used to the incline on this treadmill will take some time, and keep in mind that the heavier you are, the easier it is to go faster. But you should make sure to keep the momentum up, because if you're on the lighter side, if you slow down too much, you will have to push hard to start again. The treadmill allows up to 220 pounds or 100 kilos. The speed? Well, my friend, that is entirely up to you. The faster you go, the faster it goes. It has a distance, speed, calorie, and time calculator, but it's a very simple one. The SF T147M is also foldable and very transportable. It only has a weight of 45 pounds or 20 kilos and is sturdy and should last you for quite a long time before you see any problems. If you aren't too excited about paying so much to have a treadmill at home, this option is fantastic. Warranty on this product is questionable and weak, but on the other hand, the treadmill is not so expensive, so I leave the decision up to you. And finally, the XTERRA Fitness TR150, my top choice for cheap speed treadmills. It goes up to 10 miles per hour or 16 kilometers per hour consistently, which is a fast jogging or running speed. With this treadmill, you will be able to go to the more intense level of exercise without worrying about it letting you down, in respect to other treadmills at least. After all, nothing's perfect. It has many different speed settings that you can click on and quickly get your speed. And for the fine-tuning, you can do that with the up and down speed button. Carrying up to 250 pounds and 150 kilos, it will be able to handle most of the population. Although it comes with 3 incline levels, they are very low levels, around 2 to 5% inclines. Also, the handbar pulse reader is not so accurate and has a 10 to 20 BPM deviation. Manufacturer warranty is as follows. It's reasonable, but not amazing, and for once you will get good customer service with this manufacturer. If you are more athletic and are just trying to train from home, I would recommend this option to go for. Here is an in-depth chart of all of the treadmills. If you liked the video, make sure to be Jimmy and subscribe. If you did not like the video, I can introduce you to Bob. Have a nice day.